Okay, guys, I was checking my Scratch teacher profile, and I think the only one that completed is Bastian.
I
Okay,
completed, Mister.
but maybe you made a mistake. Maybe you didn't log into your account, or maybe you didn't share the project. Okay, let me show you what I mean. When I'm checking your assignments, I'm gonna share here the next one. What I do is this. Watch. I open my Scratch profile here. Let me show you here. I go to my classes, fifth grade A, and I have to check activity here. That's why you have to share it as soon as you create your project and rename it. You have to share it because I see here, for example, Enrique reshared. I mean, he shared more than once. This project name Stories and Broadcasting. That's why you have to rename it so I can see it with the real name, and I can see it here when once you are shared, once it's shared. Okay? So Samuel, check go to my staff in your profile, right? Go to my staff, open your project, share it, and continue working on your project. Okay? Now
Mister, what are we doing?
we have to continue with that project about creating like stories and broadcasting messages. Do you remember?
Yeah.
Mister, today we continue.
Yes, because I see only here, I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 projects only. Means that you didn't do it, or you didn't share it, or you didn't rename it. Go to
I
my
share
staff,
it here
everyone, go
today.
to my staff, find the project, rename it, share it, and continue working. Let me know once you finish. I can show you all of the projects here. I think the only one complete so far is Bastian. I have it here, watch. So once I have all of the projects, this is the last one from that day. Here, popsicles using Scratch is from October 24th. So once I see it in my profile, I open the project. I'm gonna maximize so you can see it better. It's supposed to work like this, right? They are both coming to the center. Lot of rain. She answers. I hear all of those. The picture, right? I think three more text,
Mister, what are we going to do? Sorry, I came late.
and that's it. It's the same project, Mikkel. I think maybe you didn't complete it, or you didn't rename it, or you didn't share it. Okay, but
No, I didn't went to school Friday.
No,
yeah,
Mister
but
didn't.
we started this on Monday, the first day of Paro Cívico. Okay. Anyway, I'll show you. Let me connect to a computer. Let's see.
I didn't go
Mister,
to on
I
Monday.
already shared you, Mister. I already shared you.
Yeah. Okay. Now, Samuel, can you share your screen?
I
Let's see.
already finished.
Yeah. Okay. Perfect. But let me see in your computer to explain, Mikkel, how to start working.
Yeah, but I cannot share screen.
Yeah. So, sorry, Samuel. Then let me change the setting. Now you can share. Try, please.
Sorry, Mister. You put the. You...
Then
Okay. So let's suppose we are just starting. How we how we're supposed to start working is opening um, a web browser. In this case, I think is Chrome. I'm not sure. Okay. Our activity, Miguel, is in materials, fifth grade A ICT. I name it stories and broadcasting messages. Okay. It's down here. Stories and broadcasting messages. I'm gonna close this. Here we have a link to start. This link is gonna send us to the Scratch website. Okay. From here, if you don't have your user, you can read it from this list. If you already have your user, we have to create a new project, right? Then we rename it and share. In this case, Samuel already started this project, so we have to find it in my stuff, right? supposed to be here, stories and broadcasting messages. You are missing here, Samuel, the picture, right? There's a picture when the girl coming from the left side asks global warming. There's a picture, right? Now I'll show you how to import the picture. Someone watch. We said that we can look for the picture in google.com, right? If we look for global warming and go to images, this one is the easiest to download, the one with the bird. Okay, we click there and then visitar or visit. Then we right click in the picture, clic derecho, save image as, guardar imagen como, and let's select escritorio. Desktop, global warming hero is the name of the picture, right? Okay, now how we import the picture is upload the sprite here. Okay, we're supposed to find a picture with the name global warming in the desktop, right? Escritorio, global warming, abrir. Now here we can put the picture here and then change the size a little bit so it fits and covers the whole of the screen. 125 is enough. Okay, now you have to continue just checking the codes, seeing if you are missing something, and it's supposed to work.
No, I'm not missing anything. I already checked.
You are missing the code for
What
the
do you
picture,
think?
Samuel. How can you say you're not missing anything if I just add the picture?
The picture. Okay, sorry.
Okay, then check again. Just make a little check. You already shared it. Code for the boy. The boy is any sprite that you want to choose coming from the left. Okay. The girl is, you can choose the same sprite, Avery. She's coming from the right side to the center, right? And then we have this little code for the image. What? When we click on the green flag, the image is supposed to be is supposed to hide. Then when the image receives this message, is a broadcast message from the boy, I think. Is supposed to show, put in the front so we can see it for 5 seconds, hide, and broadcast a new message to continue with the text. Okay?
Okay, I will stop sharing.
Now check again. Yes, you can stop sharing, Samuel. Check again. Let me know when you finish, and I'm going to start checking your projects. Okay? Guys,
Mister,
for those that were a little bit late, Bastian, I think your project was the only one complete.
yes, I already finished.
Complete
Actually, last class.
and also share with the right name. Maybe some of you already completed, but you didn't share it, or you didn't rename it, so that's why I couldn't find it. Okay, so go to my stuff, open your project, make sure that you have the right name, share it, and continue working, please. Let me know if you need help, guys, to log in or
Mister,
anything. You can start sharing
Mister,
everything.
I have free time.
Franco, you didn't finish, I think. I checked yours wasn't
No.
complete.
Yeah,
Or Bastian.
Mister, I am finished.
Yeah, okay.
Mister,
I will
Free
check
time,
it
right?
right now, okay?
Mister, I have a question.
Yes, we can.
Um, what the image do we need to put? I
You
don't
can
know.
put any image you want related to global warming, or you can find the same one. If you look for images, global warming in Google, you're gonna find that one.
Okay, and what's the sprite of the kid, of the boy?
The same one is difficult to find. I don't know why, but you can use. I will show you right now another options you have. Okay. Oh, let me show you here.
But do you know how it's named? The one?
I don't know the name of some of one you can use. Let me show you here. So you need one sprite that moves from left to the right, like this, right? You need it with
Yes.
custom, so it looks like he's walking, something like this.
Yes.
Okay, you can use cat. For the girl, you can use Avery, of course. What you need to do is this tool is called flip horizontal. So you have to flip each one of the customs because she's supposed to walk from right to left. Okay?
Okay.
You have more options. Another one you can use I found is rooster, this guy. This one also looks like he's moving.
Okay.
You can use it also in the other side if you want. If you flip the custom, right? There are more. Also, the bird is walking. Watch. Ah,
Yes.
the best way to see all of the customs is to put the mouse there. Watch me. Ben, for
Okay.
example, is he's not walking.
Finished,
He's like
Mister.
shooting and celebrating, right?
Yes.
Finished, Mister.
So you have uh, many options. Okay.
Okay. So for the boy, I use a boy or
For the
can
boy,
I?
you can use the rooster. You can use the cat, or this bear also walks. For the you can use any for the boy or the girl, but for the girl you can use exactly the same one because you can find it there.
Okay.
Mister, I finished.
Okay, I'll check it right now.
Mister,
Yes,
could you help me uploading the photo?
yes, of course. Share your screen and I will help you upload it. I will show for everyone as an example. Okay.
I'm gonna share screen while
Mister,
we
we have
Yes,
free
share
time.
it now. You can share now.
We have free time.
If you finish, I will check it right now and you can have free time. Okay.
Okay, but you already checked my last class.
Bastian, yes, yours I check.
Mister,
Okay.
Yes.
Mister,
why what you put in Schoology, it appears only accounts of 5B.
I created a run list.
In the one
Yes,
who
Mister,
says
I told you
Easter
that.
eggs and broadcasting messages in Scratch,
Uh-huh.
it appears Fernanda, Serafín, André, Bruckner.
I have to fix that list. Thank you, Bruno. I'll fix it right now. I will put your list for fifth grade A. Let me see. Yes, I made a mistake there. See, scratch users.
Mister, are you checking mine, Samuel?
Yes, I will check it right now.
Mister, I finished. Can you check it?
Sure. Now I fix the list, guys. Okay,
Can
so
I play, Mister? I already finished.
Samuel, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, I will open it right now. Jorge, are you sharing your screen?
Yes, he
yes,
should.
Mister, I'm sharing my screen.
Ah, yeah. Okay, now I see it. Okay, let me connect to your computer.
Miss, here top, here I already have.
Okay, which one you
I
want?
already
This one?
choose. Uh,
Let me see here.
that's series favorites. But Mister, I already have Scratch.
Where? It's supposed to be here. Ah,
I'm
yeah,
gonna,
yeah, yeah. Okay, but it's the same.
yes,
I'm gonna save it here. Okay, and where's the picture? Okay, now here we have to download it, visitar, right click, and save the image.
save image as.
Yes, there. If you cannot save it as JPG, you have to find another image. Okay, this one we cannot save it as.
If I cannot find it, like what?
You, that's why I told you you can use the same one. You can use the one with the bird. So we can use which one?
And I think there is more down.
Okay, is this one.
No.
Save image as. Then this one we can save it with the format we need. Here we can see the type we need. Okay. Image, desktop, global warming hero. That's the name of the picture. Then we go to our Scratch project, upload the sprite, desktop, and global warming hero. Now you have it. Okay. Now next,
Uh,
let me put it here and change the size. I think 125 is perfect. Okay, you can continue. Bruna, you can open your
I
microphone.
miss.
Bruna, you have any question? Diego?
No, Mr. Is because I forgot
Yeah,
to
okay.
lower my hand.
Okay. Diego, you are with your hand raised. Everything okay?
Yes, Mister, I need help like flipping the girl because I don't know how to flip it, how to change her direction.
Perfect. Okay, then share
Yes,
your
Mr.
screen.
Me too.
Share your screen, guys. More than one can share at the same time. We can all you can all start sharing. Okay?
Mister, I can because I'm doing it in the tablet.
Yeah, okay. But well, then let me explain you here. Maybe it's the same. Ooh, is this what operative system is this computer, Diego? Chrome?
I think yes, Mister.
You can I cannot ask you to the remote control. I don't have that option with your computer. Okay, so you cannot import the image, Diego. Is that
No,
it?
I don't know. No, I already imported, but I don't know how to change the girl of
Perfect, perfect. I know this is super easy. Is here
You
in
need to change
customs.
it on
Go to
styles.
customs next to code, customs. Okay, select the custom, and you have to use this tool named convert to bitmap. Flip horizontal. I don't know why you cannot see it. No, click on the custom with the numbers. No, with the numbers here in the left side. More to the left. Okay, there. Click on any of those. Mm, then I will share my computer again. Diego, watch. Add it again. We're supposed to see it like this. Watch. It's supposed to look like this when you add Avery, that girl here. I'm gonna create a new project.
Mister, how do we do a message like girl one? Like, do we need to do a message called girl one or what?
New message and rename it. Watch
Okay.
Diego. Are you looking at my computer? Yes.
yes,
It's
Mister.
supposed to. You are supposed to have this tool, Avery, and for each custom you flip horizontal. Flip, flip, and flip.
Mm,
Maybe erase her and add it again.
okay, Mister.
Okay, try please.
Mister, I already finished.
Okay, perfect. I'm gonna check again your project. Okay.
Mister, it wasn't necessary. I already flipped it. I didn't need to erase her.
Yeah, okay. Maybe we couldn't find it, but it was there. Maria Jose, your project is still untitled number two. You didn't rename it. And Avery is walking backwards. And you have misspellings. And you can change the size of the picture, Maria Jose. Make it bigger, okay? But you have everything. Let's see Maria Rosario. Okay. Let's see Samuel. He's walking backwards, Samuel. Try to fix that. Samuel, I have a question for you. Who knows what is happening here? Why this character Giga walking is walking too slow? What do you think, guys? Watch.
because it doesn't have enough
Do you see how
Because
it's slowing?
it says wait a 0.8 seconds.
And it's supposed to be 0.08.
One.
So tuk, 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 and right now it's like almost taking 1 second for each step, right? Watch. If we fix this one for a 0.8, now it's walking much faster. Okay?
Mister, I don't know why my dog goes backwards.
Share your screen. Let's fix it. Samantha, let me know if you need help. You can open your microphone.
Mister, my code in Schoology,
Mhm.
I remember that we put it in our agendas where we forgot, and I found it in my agenda. But
Uh-huh.
when I put it to Schoology, it tells me it's not that code. So
Share your screen and I will help you to connect right now. I will open, I will uh, change the password if we need to. Okay?
okay.
Okay.
Like I tried a lot. I don't know why it's not.
Maybe is the wrong code. Maybe we change it in the school. Share your screen now. Samantha. Okay, I see it. And now I send you the request. Okay?
Mister, can you help me?
Jorgito, what happened?
Yes.
Just tell me. What is it?
Look, my dog go backwards.
Yeah, okay. Give me 1 second. I'm gonna find Samantha's code and I will connect to your computer again. Okay, there you have it.
Mister,
Mister,
is it
can you send me the code by the chat, please, so I can write it in my note.
Mister? Is it to
Password
read it? The
is that one, Samantha.
I tried that one.
Really?
Yes, and it didn't let me.
Maybe you didn't put the capital S or something.
Like I tried 1,000 times putting and it didn't work. I don't know what did I went down. But thank you, Mister.
Okay, good.
Mister?
Now the dog is walking backwards, right? Or what? Okay.
Yes.
Okay, so the dog is supposed to dog show repeat next custom move. So it's negative 10, I think. Right?
Yes.
Okay.
Mister,
Mister, this is okay now?
See?
It's
Mr.
good?
Simon,
Yes.
I have a question. Isn't that bad reading what it says in the girl in the text?
It
Say
says doses.
doses gases.
Doses. And I put
Yes,
doses
Mister.
in the example?
Yes,
Yes, it says
doses.
doses, gases.
No.
Yes,
Okay.
mister,
I'm
it
gonna.
says doses.
Yeah.
Doses, guys.
Okay. Then I
Oh,
have to
so
check.
only those?
Yes, it's those.
Yes, I was confused.
And two means you put the sign of the exclamation sign of the question mark, sorry, upside down, and that we only use in Spanish.
Which one in the first sprite?
In the boy part, say a
Here
lot of
it
rain.
says a lot of rain, and it's with the upside down thing.
I'm gonna fix those then. I'm gonna write it out.
Mister, I finish.
Okay, good. Don't forget to rename it and share. Okay.
I share and I say.
Okay. What about Juliana, Sebas, Jose Carlos, Daniel? Is your camera
Mister,
okay?
I finish.
Did you rename it and share?
Yes, mister. And I already. Yes,
Per-
mister, I finished.
Okay. What about Jose Carlos? Did you finish?
This mister is because I changed of sprite and
Mm.
I forgot it restarts and it restarted me all.
Okay, but don't forget to rename it and share so you can continue working.
I
And
already have it renamed and shared.
I can see it. Okay. What about Daniel, Juliana, Sebastian?
Yes, sir, can you see mine, Jorge?
Do you want me to check yours, Jorge?
If you can see it.
Yes. Let me see. I will check it from my account. My
Mister, if we finish, we have free time.
yes. Condition story class.
You could find it. Mister, you could find it.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Guys, you said the question mark is upside down.
Mister,
Before.
can I go to
The
the
one of the
bathroom?
question mark in one question in the one that says a lot of rain,
Mister,
right?
can I go to the bathroom?
Okay.
Yes, okay.
A lot of rain, right? And it's upside down.
Yes, because we don't have the first one to open. In English, we only close. You're right, guys. Okay, then I'm gonna fix that project.
Sí.
¿Te traigo algo de beber?
Podría.
No, mamá, no me gusta.
Gracias.
Samuel, yes, you can go to the bathroom if you need.
I already went
Okay, okay.
because I thought you said yes.
And I didn't see your message, sorry.
But can I play? I already finished.
Yes, you can play. Let me show you a project that I did with first grade and second grade. There's this like small version of Scratch named Scratch Junior, right? And it has almost the same type of instructions, but for Scratch we have like more complex options. You didn't get to see this because we were doing this in first and second grade. So this last one we did, I named spaceship on rocket, something like that. Watch.
It's nice.
Nice, right? And we did this with first grade and second grade. And watch the code here, guys. For we have also here sprites. Here is the area code, or the code area, I mean. And here we have
That's
Those
hard.
codes are so easy, mister. I want to be in first grade.
and here we have the stages. Yes, Flavia, you may go. And here we have the stages. So how can we do the same? Who has any idea how can we do the same in Scratch? Watch, I'll show you here. We can do something like this. Oh, sorry. So we can do almost the same project here. Doing something like this. Do we have an astronaut?
Mister, there's only one image, no?
Yes, only one.
Okay.
Spaceship, robot, rocket ship. So when we click, this one is supposed to start moving. It's too much.
Mister, how I'm going to, like, I already put the image, but the image is too little. How do I,
Okay, share your
because
screen, Mika. Guys, do you see what I'm doing? Are you sharing right now, Mikel?
now, Mister?
Maria Rosario, do you have a question? Diego,
Yes, mister, it's because in the part that they walk, like the 10 steps, like Avery is walking to the right, and I want to, she walk to the left, and she's like
okay,
up.
I know how to fix that. Okay, instead of move 10 steps, is move negative 10. Try.
Yes, I already put that, but the thing is that she's like looking at uh the right, and I want that she looks at the
Then
Is it
in
by the
customs,
sprite?
customs, flip horizontal.
where, mister?
In customs. Do you see my computer? Are you looking
Yeah.
at it? Here you have to change it. Flip horizontal.
Okay, mister. Thank you.
Now, Mikel, are you sharing? Yes, I see it.
Yeah.
Okay, I send you the request to control. Now here we have to no the picture you have to put it in as a sprite, Mikel. Here, not in a stage,
Oh, okay, okay, okay.
as an sprite with this option here, this one.
And there I put logo.
What Mikel? Here, is it?
Dígame. Yes, the diagonals.
Then select abrir, and you are supposed to have it.
Oh, okay, okay, okay.
Here you change the size a little bit, maybe 125, I think.
Maybe you need to change the size only for the X.
The size. No, this is the exposition, not the size. So you can
No,
you have to resize the whole thing and put it in the center, maybe
there.
like that.
Okay.
Okay.
Eight. Now, how do I stop sharing? I've never been in this computer.
I will stop. Now, you are not sharing anymore. So watch guys my computer for the last 4 minutes. All of these that I am trying to do here, watch in Scratch Junior is very easy, right? Because we have the original size. We reset and we click green flag. And what is happening here is repeat 6 times, moving to the right, moving up, and changing the size a little bit. This instruction we call it shrink. Then jumps here. So when it's here and it's small, jumps. I create that jump to make it look like he's jumping inside of the spaceship, right? And then heights is this one, so we cannot see it, and sends a message. This is the same as broadcast message for Scratch. Then the spaceship receives this message, starts moving up, turns, so it looks like it's putting horizontal. That repeats for 3 times. Then continue moving a little bit more to the left and up for 3 times. Then continues moving to the left for 7 times, and then sends us to stage 2. Okay, Diego, do you have a question?
Yes, Mister. I only need one more thing that is changed. Like, no. I think I know how to do it. Wait.
Yeah, okay, perfect. Now watch all of this that is very easy for Scratch Junior here. All of this, I have to put it this complicated in Scratch. Why? Because first we need to click on the green flag, set the size to the original size, right? Then we have to put the position where it's supposed to start. Watch here. Then we are gonna do it like more like little steps. So I'm gonna repeat 100 times, moving a little bit to the right and a little bit up, and then changing the size a little bit so it looks like it's going away, right? Watch. All of this is the same as this.
Mister,
Yes?
I think I'm gonna have to change the steps because they're like colliding into themselves.
Ah, okay. Yes, maybe you have to change the size.
Into
Yes,
eight.
Mister. I had to do that because my things crashed. But I already.
Here I'm gonna put one,
I
two,
finished, Mister.
three.
I finished.
Watch. 6.6. 2. Okay. Now, guys, I have to get ready for my next class. If you're done, you can. I think you have to stay. No, I have to stay in the same one. And let me see.
Mister, is history or story? Is
Stories.
history?
History is singular and it ends up with Y, and stories is plural and ends like IES.
Mr. One last question. My bear is floating, so I'm going to need to change my Y position for the bear.
Yeah. Okay. Good.